Going down the steps at this, what's the name of this place?
Glenhill.
Glenhill Park. I don't know what part of Ohio this is. Southern Ohio?
Southwest.
Southwest Ohio. Kind of on the way to Dayton, right?
Yep.
Okay. So we're in between, sort of in between Dayton and Columbus. I guess there's a river down below called the, what is it called, Barry? The Miami? Little Miami River. I feel like jumping in it, but I don't know. Water's probably really cold though. Hey, that's a long way up. What's that smell? For a second I thought it was a skunk smell, but it didn't smell bad though. I like the smell of nature and outdoors. Anyway. Boardwalk. That's stagnant water. I don't know if there's any fish that we could see under there. A lot of rocks and really shallow. So is this considered the Little Miami?
I'm not sure. I don't know if it's Little Miami or just a creek going into it.
This water looks pretty shallow for a river. I don't know.
That is Yellow Springs Creek.
Yellow Springs Creek.
I think that's where the waterfall is, on that creek somewhere.
So where would the river be then?
Go down that creek that way.
Oh, so we're not close. Yeah. So we're really not close.
Not far.
So tomorrow's Halloween. Today's October 30th, 2016.
Oh, choices. Right, left, and no sign to tell you which way to go.
Yeah, I like these. I used to do nature videos a long time ago on my YouTube channel. Back in 2008, 2007. Athens, Ohio. Climbing hills on my videos. And down in Athens. Stroud's Run State Park. We got lost. So, there are bobcats and bears out there. We came in from West Virginia.
No bears?
We didn't see any bears, but so I saw bobcat tracks. Funky looking spiders too. All these spider webs. Scary looking spiders. Like the kind that the color you glow in the dark. Whoa, some dropping. Golly. That must be the end of it.
Well, the creek we just passed over is over there, and it spills into this one.
Yeah.
Or maybe that creek spills into that one.
So then that, so.
Gotta look for a geocache.
Geocache time. That'd be fun to cross the creek and go.
Waterfall back here somewhere? Yellow waterfall or something? Yeah, up that. Is that that way? Yeah. Okay. You just keep going down it. Let's go find it.
I see the creek keeps going down.
So did you guys drive or fly? Oh, how long is it? Like 8 or 9 hours. So it's not terrible.
Right.
That's enough.
Pretty Asian. Pretty Asian lady. So I would like to be in a hotel room with that.
Still recording
Yeah,
while you're talking.
yeah. A lot of climbing steps here, isn't it?
It's gonna be one really long video.
Well, right now it's 5 minutes and 36 seconds. This is the first official fall nature video I've done this year. There's some wood for Yellow Groove. I would like to have a little fire pit where I live. I could burn fire, and burn, get some firewood. Time to close this video.
Alright, looks like trail goes to the right.
To the right, so we're heading downhill.
This is the official trail. That's the unofficial trail.
Sheesh. Man. Good mighty. Good gravy. Mercy sakes, I'm trying to maintain my balance on this. But there's the muddy way we could go down.
Nothing like a good clump to fall off of. Oh, fuck.
So this is probably like medium skill hiking. Maybe. I like that down there. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Eight minutes.